Do you know the biggest lie keeping you broke? It's the idea that making more money automatically makes you wealthy. That's a myth. Here's the cold, hard truth. 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, and it's not because they don't earn enough. It's because nobody ever taught them the system. You could be making $75,000 a year and retire with absolutely nothing. Or you could make that exact same $75,000 and retire with $1.5 million in your pocket. Same income, but a totally different ending. The only difference? The system. Stay until the end of this video, because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you the exact three-phase blueprint that every self-made millionaire quietly follows. Most people never even see phase 3. And that's precisely why they end up losing everything they worked so hard to build. Let's dive in. Phase 1 is ridiculously simple, so simple that most people just skip right over it. But that's their first mistake. You have to build a bulletproof system for your money before you ever invest a single dollar. Here's the system. It's called the 75-15-10 rule. Every single dollar you earn gets split into 3 parts, automatically. 75 cents goes straight to your living expenses. This is your absolute maximum spend. 15 cents gets invested, no excuses, no exceptions. And 10 cents gets saved, and I mean no touching it. The secret to making this work is automation. The day you get paid, you open 3 separate bank accounts and set up automatic transfers. Why 3 accounts? Because if all your money is sitting in one big pile, a tempting sale on Amazon will easily wipe out your investment money before you even realize what happened. Rich people don't have some superhuman willpower, they just have smarter systems. They make it impossible to mess up. Phase 2 is where your money stops being a slave and starts working for you. This is where you begin building real, lasting wealth. First, you absolutely must max out your 401k. Especially if your employer offers to match your contributions. Think about it. That's a 100% return on your money from day one. Imagine putting in $1,000 and instantly having $2,000. That's free money, folks. But here's the kicker. The wealthy don't stop there. A 401k is just the start. Second, you need to invest in the stock market. Now don't go chasing after individual stocks right away, trying to pick the next Amazon. Start smart. Start with index funds, things like VTI for the total market or SPY for the S&P 500. When you buy into these, you're not just buying a piece of paper. You're buying ownership in thousands of the world's biggest, most successful companies. So every time someone buys a new Nike shoe or orders groceries from Amazon or scrolls on Facebook, you get paid a tiny slice. Your money is now a silent partner in the global economy. Third, and this is the game changer for many millionaires, rental properties. Not the house you live in. The house you live in is a liability, a place where money goes out. A rental property, on the other hand, is an asset. Your tenants pay your mortgage, your taxes, your insurance, and then they still put money in your pocket every single month, even while you're out living your life or fast asleep. These 3, your retirement accounts, broad stock market funds, and rental real estate, are the proven wealth builders. Forget the shiny objects like crypto and gold until you've got this solid foundation. Build the house before you start decorating. Now we come to the part that nobody ever talks about. This is phase 3. And honestly, this is the phase that separates the people who build wealth from the people who actually keep it. There are 3 huge threats to your money, and you need to protect yourself from them right now. Threat number 1, taxes. The IRS tax code is a beast over 2,000 pages long. And every single one of those pages is crammed with legal deductions, loopholes, and strategies. But only the educated, the informed, can use them. Don't be penny wise and pound foolish. Get a great accountant, get a tax attorney if you need one. Pay them well. Because one good tax strategy can literally save you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. That's not an exaggeration, it's a fact. Threat number 2, lawsuits. The moment people find out you have money, some of them, unfortunately, will try to take it from you. This is why smart real estate investors never, ever own property in their own name. They own it through an LLC, a limited liability company. An LLC puts a legal brick wall between your personal assets and anyone who tries to sue you. I personally own 0 rental properties in my own name, but my LLCs own all of them. That legal shield has protected me more than once from potential disasters. Threat number 3, the government. This one might surprise you. If you die without a will or a proper estate plan, the government steps in. They decide where your money goes, not your family, not your wishes. The government decides. A proper estate plan might cost you a few $1,000s now, but it can save your family hundreds of thousands or even millions later. Do it now. Don't put it off. So, there you have it, the full blueprint. Phase 1. Get your money right. Use that 75-15-10 system and automate it today. Phase 2. Grow your money. Invest in your 401k, the stock market through index funds and rental real estate. Let your assets work while you sleep. Phase 3. Protect your money. Set up those LLCs, find a brilliant accountant, and create your estate plan before you ever need it. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need a trust fund. You need a system, the right assets, and the right legal shields. That's it. The blueprint has always been there. Now you have it. If this video opened your eyes, then click on this next video popping up to learn even more about building real wealth.